going on, guys? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. Today we're out here in McKinney, Texas. That's a little bit north of Dallas. We're in front of this ag barn. We haven't seen one of those before. This one is in 42 wide by 40 long. In the center here, it's going to have 14 tall legs. On the sides, it's going to have 11 feet. It's got a lot of doors, a lot of windows, a lot of openings on the inside. So let's go check it out. Alrighty guys, so starting here in the center, it's going to be an 18 wide by 40 long by 14 tall to the east. It's got a 10 by 12 here in the center. It's also got another one all the way on the back side of the building. The lean-tos, they're going to be both 12 by 40s by 11 foot tall, connected at the 14 tall, the main structure. It's going to have two 10 by 8s on either side, one on the right lean-to. It's going to have a walk-in door, another walk-in door here in the center. Going to have several windows. One other thing I forgot to mention is that the customer did mention that here in the center section, when he is working on trailers or 18-wheelers of that sort, he is going to put some shelving here on the sides, you know, not in the way of when he's driving through. So it's a good thing that he did get these headers here, which does provide him some kind of support. So whenever he does have his storage and up here, he already has like the base plate to go off of. Really nice. Alrighty, and here guys, just giving you another shot of the porch area. Again, he decided to go ahead and do a roll-up door instead of a header because in case he does want to close it off and not use it as a porch, he has that option to just roll the door down and keep it closed. But also has the option to open it up as well whenever needed. Did want to mention the colors that this customer did get. He went ahead with the rawhide on the sides and with the two-tone coloring, the wainscot. He went and got the evergreen here at the bottom and the evergreen on the trim and as well as the roof. Looks really nice. Alrighty guys, well that's it for us here in McKinney, Texas. Giving you a nice look at a really nice ag barn with lots of customizations, big doors, windows, lots of openings. Giving you ideas of how you can close off one section and keep the other one open. First of many ag barns that we shoot here at American Steel Carports. But anyway, this is Brian with American Steel, answering questions and showing you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.